in railway industry infrastructure are regularly being inspected by special measurement trains to discover issues and prevent big damages. This method is very expensive and efficient. To save time and money, Pentohealth offers a predictive maintenance solution that suggests best time and type of maintenance operations. This solution includes 1. A live monitoring system mounted in regular trains that collects large amounts of data from trains and infrastructure. 2. Trains' digital twins based on a mathematical model of train and infrastructure that simulates running train over infrastructure. 3. Artificial intelligence engine that discovers patterns of the problems. In order to understand and predict the behavior of the infrastructure, history and characteristics of each point of the infrastructure has to be stored. The precise geolocation data of these points are identifier of them. So, low precision location data leads to inaccurate data collection and faulty predictions of defects. Precise positioning is the vital part of Pentohealth's solution. Thanks to Swift and Deutsche Telekom, Pentohealth is able to record locations reliably with an accuracy of 10 centimeters. In the test case, the Swift evaluation module has been installed alongside Pentohealth's solution to compare quality and accuracy of legacy positioning with Swift precise positioning. The result unsurprisingly proves that without precise positioning, live monitoring and predictive maintenance of interaction between railway and infrastructure will not be possible.